Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick update on my aquadragons and my sea monkeys on Mars. My aquadragons are doing great. There's a ton of adults. They are having some babies in there, and I see a lot of pregnant females. And also, my sea monkeys on Mars are doing all right. I still see some babies in there. It's not as populated as it used to be, but I'm going to feed the tanks, aerate them, top them off, and we're going to take a closer look. So here's our growth food for our sea monkeys. It's getting pretty old. I'm getting ready to open another pack that I have. Let me feed one more time with this. And then here's our aquadragons food. I got the green spoon that package came with. There's that. Now I'm going to be adding some distilled water today. And now let's aerate the tanks. Alright, I'm going to let the tank settle for about an hour, and then we're going to take a closer look.